Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze, guys. And we'll show you where to find a relay for the rear window defroster or for the side mirrors defrosters as well. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. What we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if it was helpful, if it wasn't, so we know, guys, what we can improve. Now this is the 2015 Chevy Cruze, but it should be the same procedure for the whole generation from 2008 all the way to 2016. Some cars will have heated mirrors and all of the Cruzes will have window defroster. Okay, we need to clean ours, but you can definitely get the idea. This is the window defroster. So if your rear window defroster doesn't work, today will be a very helpful video, guys. Also, we have a video, guys, that explains where the fuses are. So check this thing out. First, we need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, support it, guys. Okay, right there. Perfect. Now, once we support it, guys, this is your fuse box. Doesn't matter which engine you have, diesel or 1.8 or 1.4, the procedure is about the same. And here, guys, you have three clips that you need to squish towards each other, pull up and open the cover. Once this cover, guys, is open now, okay, what we need to do, we need to find relay number 17. So relay number 17, guys, will be actually this guy right here. That's relay number 17. This is the one for the rear window defroster and for the side mirrors defrosters as well. Just pull it, guys. It gets stuck sometimes. We'll have that relay listed in the description of the video below, so you can see, guys, where we buy our parts from and all that stuff. Now there is no need, okay, to actually replace it if it's good. So how you know it's good? Okay, we'll make a video, guys, how to test relays on Chevy Cruze. Make sure you check it out. It will work actually on any car, so it will be on the channel. And once you guys know that the relay needs to be replaced or not, all we have to do, just put it back in. Okay, if it's bad, put a new one. If yours is good, just replace it all the way in. Make sure that it's in, because otherwise you can melt your fuse box. And the last step will be to install your cover. Now that's very important, because if you do not install the cover, humidity and water may get in and damage your fuse box. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful and save you some money and some headache as well. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.